We are cooking this pork belly with a fire. I really enjoy this one. This is my first time cooking it like this. Pork belly. I think I'm almost burning my pork belly, but because I have it very close to the fire, but now I think it's fine. I'll just have it like this and turn it every now and then, every few seconds. Oh my god, this is looking pretty. This is what camping is all about. I don't know why I don't do this all the time, but yeah, it's really nice, very nice, beautiful. Oh my god, look at the charred